Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create quiz in Google Forms with result. First, go to Google Forms on your browser or click the Google Apps icon on your screen. Find Google Forms and click the blank form to start a new quiz. Click the settings at the top of the form. Toggle on Make this a quiz. Under the Responses tab, you can enable Collect email addresses if you want to gather student or user emails. Give your quiz a title and a short description. Click the plus icon to add a new question. Choose the question type, like multiple choice, checkbox, short answer, and etc. Write your question and answer choices. Click Answer key to select the correct answer, assign points, and add feedback. Toggle Required to make sure respondents must answer before submitting. Click the Palit icon to change the theme, background color, or font. Add images or videos using the toolbar. Click the trash icon to delete any question. Use the preview to see what your quiz looks like before sharing. Click Publish at the top right corner. To share via email, enter the email addresses and click Send. To share via link, click the link icon, shorten the URL, then copy and share the link. For the grade and analyze responses, go to the Responses tab at the top of the form. You'll find 3 views: Summary, see overall performance, Question, grade by each question, Individual, view one response at a time. Assign points, give feedback, and choose whether to release scores immediately or after reviewing. And that's it. That's how to create quiz in Google Forms with result. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.